Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaway. Today, we have our announcement eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of November. I thought I'd do something special and treat you guys to a full-size Natasha Denona palette. The one I'm going to show you on, the one I'm going to do swatches on, the one I'm going to do looks. Everything is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Giveaway is really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, and somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do giveaways a lot here on the channel, and you can only be subscribed in order to win. And I have a huge giveaway, you guys. Stuff's already been set aside for it, for our 2,000 subscriber. So if you haven't helped this get there yet, please do. It really means a lot to me. So this is the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. Like I said, I'm going to show you swatches from mine. So mine has obviously been used for the looks in today's video. Such a pretty fall palette. I wanted to do a big one for you guys because this is kind of like my holiday giveaway type of thing, because I want you guys to have this to wear for the holidays because it's such a pretty. And you guys, these colors are perfect for the fall. Just saying. So let's talk a little bit about it, get into some swatches, get into some looks, give you my final thoughts and what you need to do in order to win. Can you guys believe it's November already? Where has this year gone? So what Natasha Denona does say about this is, first off, it does retail for $69. And introducing the full-size extension to the best-selling mini Zendo palette, the Zendo eyeshadow palette offers 15 all-new shades in 4 of Natasha's groundbreaking formulas: a metallic, a duochrome, you know, that speaks my language, a cream nib powder, which I really like that formula, and a creamy matte. Let's get into some of these swatches. First thing I really want to say is I love how it goes from light to dark, how you can really do great smoky eye with this. Let's start off with Mindful. So it's a rich, medium, dark brown. It does have strong orange undertones. It's not a full matte. It has a little bit of shine with it, but the more you blend it, the more that shine does go away. Luster is this bright kind of golden copper metallic finish. It has really strong, warm undertones. Love using it at the inner corner like I did today. Balance is a light medium brown. It does have some warm undertones to it. It is kind of a velvety matte finish. Glow is kind of like a faded light blue metallic. Has really cool tone undertones. It's a metallic. Mantras is deep green. It does have some kind of cool tone undertones, and it's mainly a matte finish. It does have a little bit of sparkle, but like it totally blends away. So there is that top row. So Aurora is so pretty. So it's a pearl-like finish. It has bright, medium, kind of dark orange color. It does have a lighter gold pearl kind of woven through it. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. Vigor is a matte, muted, kind of dark red, kind of like a brick color a little bit. Relief is this matte, bright medium coral color. Okay, Equilibrium is so pretty. It has blackened base with a plum and a bluish teal shimmer throughout. It's just, I love it. But you guys know I'm a shimmer girl. Is a very, very light mint green. This was the shade that I'd probably say I had the most trouble with getting the pigment, getting it to show up. It is a semi-matte finish. There are the shades. Since it is they call it a chocolate, but really has some warm kind of coral almost undertones to it. It is kind of more rosier, has a metallic finish. Tranquil has a muted, medium dark pink with moderate semi undertones to it. It is that pearl finish. Coral is a medium peachy. It is basically, it has a little bit of shimmer, but not much. It's mainly a matte. So Yama. Yama is my favorite one in here because it is the duochrome. So it is a darker gold base with a duochrome shimmer that shifts from green to gold that gives it a sparkling metallic finish. Zeal is a kind of a really dark olive green, muted undertones, matte. I do have that as almost an eyeliner on my lower lash today. So it's really good to build up outer corners with. And there is that row. Okay, let's get into the two different looks. I am so excited to start playing with this. I cannot wait. This, yeah, it's going to be amazing. Okay, I kind of want to do kind of stick in this realm today. I do wish that there was kind of a cool tone taupe shade in here, and I might do this luster in the very inner corner. So let's go get Breathe. Let's start with Breathe first. I'm going to start above the crease. I'll say that color isn't overly pigmented. Let's take Mantra and do that in the crease itself, a little bit above and that outer corner. There's more pigment on this one for sure. Now I'm going to take my shield and just blend that for a hot second. I'm going to take a breath on the lower lash, kind of inner half. I mean, there's so little pigment in this shade. And then let's take Mantra on the outer half. A little flick. And bring it in. You just kind of want to blend that a little bit, so I'm going to go back into breath here. Kind of blend that out just a little. Okay, then with my fingers, I am going to take Equilibrium on the outer half. The inner half, let's take that Flow, and I think the very inner corner, tear duct and lower lash waterline on the inner corner, let's take that Luster. So I'm going to start off first with the Equilibrium. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. And now let's go into Flow. I really do like this Flow shade. I think it's really, really pretty. I'm just kind of going back and forth here. I'm so excited for this. Let's grab a Luster. Okay, let me go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So I really like this one. What do you guys think? Be right back with my next look. So I think today I kind of want to go from like a gold brown to the red on the other side. So I want to start with the relief here right above the crease. Starting on the outside, coming in. I do want to take balance on the inner third. Sorry, somebody started their lawnmower out there. Vigor on the outer third. And we're going to go and kind of build up that outer corner too with it. I just want to blend that outer corner a little bit. Then I am going to take Yama here in the inner third of the lid. Let's go in the center of the lid and go Aurora on the outer portion of the lid. So I'm just taking Yama here on my finger. Let's go into Sense. Let's take Aurora on the outer portion. I do want to grab Luster. I just love the shade for the inner corner. Luster has a lot of fallout, so be careful with that. And then I just want to take Zeal here, and I'm going to run that along the lower lash line, just almost as like an eyeliner. I'm just going to take a clean brush, run that underneath, trying to kind of smoke that out just a little bit. Okay, let me go put on some lips and mascara, and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So what do you guys think? I mean, I could have gone like really crazy and done like a green inner corner and kind of this more on the outer corner, but for me, I just want stuff a lot of times that's more wearable. Every once in a while I will do some of those more crazy ones because, you know, I kind of do like color too. So totally great for the fall. You guys, this stuff lasts 8 hours on my eyes. It doesn't go anywhere. Love it. Secret word of the day is fall. This is mine, you guys. I have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below. There's a Google form link. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify. Yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure to put on it that secret word. What are you guys doing? Do you guys have any big plans for the fall? Let me know. As far as fall plans for us, I know we are hosting Thanksgiving. My son will come down for Christmas. Keep your fingers crossed. He's trying to get into grad schools right now. He does have an interview set up in February at the University of Mary in Bismarck, North Dakota. So keep your fingers crossed. He's trying to get a couple more interviews, hopefully as well, that they accept his application. See? He wants to get his doctorate in physical therapy. So back to the giveaway. In the description box down below is a Google form link. You only fill it out once, but you can get bonus entries. And how the bonus entries work is, like I said, you fill out the form once, but you only mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them, if you actually did, because I do check and you don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is to follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is to go follow me on TikTok. That's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, socials, media accounts. I'm trying to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your guys' help. So when you do that, it means the absolute world to me, and I wanted a way to give back to say thank you for doing that. YouTube's not affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And it's a full-size Natasha Denona palette. I mean, come on. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, tariffs, fees, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. I specifically want to draw your attention to the damage part. It's leaving here in pristine condition. Everything is fine. You don't know what happens in the mail. So I'm not responsible if something happens. Just putting that disclaimer out there. Also make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through December 1st, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on December 6th, what I'll do is I'll put, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, the first name, first initial of the last name, bonus entries, like I said, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing there, put them in the computer spins it around, we all see it, the computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very, very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. If you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you guys do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I greatly appreciate you checking it out. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon, you guys. Bye. Good luck on the giveaway.